When you are applying a paragraph style to your paragraph, then this problem is occurring. All the lines are getting closed together and there is no line spacing. So definitely this is a line spacing problem, and this problem is occurring inside the paragraph style that you created. At the second last video, I have shown how to create paragraph style. Okay, if you want, you can watch it from I button or link is given in the description box. Okay, I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. This is actually line spacing problem inside the paragraph style that has been applied here. So select the paragraph. From the style section, you can see the paragraph style that has been applied here. So definitely this line spacing problem is occurred on this paragraph style. Okay, you can solve this problem from here, but that's not the solution. Again, if you applied that paragraph style on this paragraph, same problem will be occurring. Okay, so we have to solve this line spacing problem from this paragraph style. Okay, so what we have to do, just right click on this paragraph style, then modify. From here, format, then paragraph. Okay, see, line spacing, multiple is selected. Instead of multiple, from here I will select single, then click on OK. Again click on OK, and boom, problem has been solved. Hopefully you have understood why that line spacing problem was occurring and where that line spacing problem are from. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you have learned why this problem is occurring. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description box. If you enjoyed the video, give a huge thumbs up. Share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.